Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have iPhone 60 Pro and I want to show you how manage your passwords on this device. Open your passwords application. In it, we must tap on our All and find website which our smartphone remember. Our password may be our first one, and then we can manage password to this web. In the first step, when we click on password, we can see that and copy. We see our username. To edit it, tap on edit, and we can edit our username passwords. We can make video verification code to get connected to that. We can change website from it and add notes to that. Remember, when you change something, press done to save it. You can also share this password to someone using this icon, or we can delete by tap on our edit, and there we can tap on delete passwords and confirm it by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.